Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Miller of Pursuit Physiotherapy, and today we're going over pain and running injuries. So, if I could say one thing, first of all, runners should not be taking anti-inflammatory medications and still running. If you're doing that, that's no bueno. That is not a good thing. There's many cases that are reported of runners are chronically taking anti-inflammatory medications and getting stress fractures and fractures in major weight-bearing bones like the femur, and it also leads to a gastrointestinal problem too. So runners, especially if you're still running, should never be taking anti-inflammatory medications. So that's just a helpful hint for you. But the main point of what I wanted to go over today was, when runners are dealing with pain or an injury. So what I always like to say is, you have this problem that is causing the injury, and then you get pain, and then you can't run anymore, okay? But the problem is, if you keep treating the pain, the problem is still there. So view this as like a cause and an effect, okay? The cause is there that is causing your pain. Now, the effects are pain, tendonitis, bursitis, swelling, whatever you want to label it. These are all effects, but there is a cause to that, and you have to address this cause, and then your symptoms or your injury will end up going away. So many times I see people who are just treating the tendonitis or treating the pain, and their running injury keeps coming back, or they failed multiple treatment approaches. That's because with running injuries, you have to address the cause of your pain, and it's quite simple. Running injuries occur because of three main things, and we've gone over that already in another video. The three causes of running injuries. It's quite simple. So if you're dealing with a running injury or you can't run because of your pain or injury, the number one thing that you have to do is solve the cause that is causing your pain. And when you address this problem and truly solve the puzzle, you can get back to running pain-free. So if you like this video, feel free to share it on Facebook with friends and family. You can click on the video after this is over, and it'll take you to another page if you want more information about running injuries and what's the best way to treat them. And thank you for your time.